पीपीटीटी करते हैं और लेक्चरेट कर लेते हैं।
हाँ, दैट इज गुड।
ओके 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 ओके। सो वत्सल,
हाँ भाई।
टाइमिंग्स तो ध्यान रखियो, ठीक है। आई शेयर माय स्क्रीन।
चल ठीक है, 1 मिनट रुक जाओ बस।
कोई प्रेशर तो नहीं है ना इसमें, मतलब जैसे पता ही ना हो पीजीबीटी पूरा कल ठीक है। इज देयर एनीवन?
हाँ भैया, मैं हूँ फ्रेशर, अनुज
Yes,
राठौर।
I am interested, but मैंने कल किया था।
क्या कह रहे हो भाई, समझ नहीं आ रहा।
कर दे चालू।
बेसिक तो पता। आई
नहीं
शो
भैया, मैं तो वही पहले।
okay, I'll just put picture 30 seconds. Okay. After that, you have to observe it for 30 seconds. After that, you will get a type. तो तुम्हें पता होंगे यार, the sex or how many characters you observe, their gender, their mood, and the action you have to write, and then you have to write down the story. So I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible? My screen is visible, guys.
Yes, it is visible.
It is visible.
टाइमर स्टार्ट। टाइम अप।
I'll share the picture in the group for those who have joined late. And now you have 4 minutes to write down the story.
Time up. Time up.
Okay, guys, pen down. You have 5 minutes to remember the story. After that, we'll start
राजवीर
the
भाई
two
हमारे
more.
ग्रुप में तो भेजी नहीं यार।
But डाल रहा हूँ बीच में डाल रहा हूँ। So guys, we will start individual narration. Please turn on your camera at the time of individual narration and also in GD so that the session will be more interactive. We will start in the reverse alphabetical order.
अल्फाबेटिकल कर ले
Last one.
अल्फाबेटिकल कर ले
Vatsal,
कल से कर ले कल से
अरे यार वो अंकित का ही order है. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So we will have narration in the alphabetical order from Ankit. The last will be Vatsal. So you can start.
Good evening, everybody. In the picture, I perceive two characters. One is male, another is female, and my theme is giving surprise to her uh, elder sister. Rahul, a 21-year-old college student, during his summer vacation, he wanted to go to his home without telling his sister. When he came to him home, he found that she was and a surprise to his sister. He decorated the room with balloons and made her favorite food and sweets. He also bought some in front of her and hugged her. She astonished and was very happy. Looking her sister's smile, Rahul also became happy. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. From the picture shown, I pursued two characters, one male, one female, aged 20 to 25, mood of Raksha Bandhan. And my story goes like Aditya is 22, working in TCS Indore. On the day of Raksha Bandhan, received a call from team lead for attestation, kept himself ready, and while approaching towards the office, his sister stopped his way and asked to celebrate Raksha. He promised his sister to return from office very soon. He reached office, gave his presentation very well, and fixed a deal with foreign client. Created Raksha Bandhan together. He felt sense of happiness for managing both office and home. Thank you.
I think Abhishek. Abhishek.
Hi Rajveer, can you please show the picture again? I have joined a little late.
Listen, then you can just be an audience today. At the end, I will show you.
Yeah.
But I've shared something I don't know from
Good evening, gentlemen. From the picture, I have perceived two characters. One is male and one is female. Their age is around 25 to 28 years old. And today he is going to appear in an interview for an IT company in his college. He has worked hard, learned many ways to solve a particular problem with efficiency from his teachers and seniors. He told about interview at his home. His mother prayed for his success while he was leaving for his college. Akash mother called, took her blessings and left. He got placed in the company. Thank you.
Hello everybody. From the picture, I have perceived two characters, one male and one female. Mood are positive. Male is party for mom's birthday. Aman, 22-year-old, a science graduating student from Delhi University living in Karol Bagh. His mother's birthday was he called his elder sister to take help in decoration. Ordered cake from bakery, bought some party popper, balloons and birthday card. also ordered some snacks and cold drink for the party. He prepared a close guest list to invite. He also planned to play a few indoor games with the family and friends, and Tirda, he was there with the surprise. Finally, the surprise went as planned. Everybody enjoyed a lot, and mom gave him blessings for his future endeavors. Thank you.
So, gentlemen, I have perceived two characters in the picture, one male and one female. The age group is around 20 to 22, and mood is positive. The main characters from the left side of the picture, sex is male, age is 21, and mood is positive. The action of my story that planning a surprise party for parents' wedding anniversary. Abhilash 21 is a college student, a kid. When his elder sister came, he was going to the market for making all the arrangements, taking cake, party bombers, and other foodstuffs and cold drinks. He, along with his sisters, decorated the home and also called the other family members and guests. They prepared the food secretly for their parents as they like. And in the evening, they celebrated the wedding anniversary together and clicked beautiful pictures.
Good evening, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. As a picture is shown, there is two characters. There is one male and another female, 28 to 29. And the action of my story is the urgent presentation on the 20-year-old has had working in a reputed company. He is working from home online. So on the day of the Raksha Bandhan, he submitted a report. So he made promise to her sister that he came back in just 2 hours after giving the presentation, and after that they both company and giving the presentation solve the doubt of all the colleagues confidentially and calmly. And after giving the presentation sister, and after coming back to home, they will enjoy the Raksha Bandhan and mad memories. Thank you.
Gentlemen, from the picture, I perceive two characters. The main character is the male, is in positive mood and of age 24 years, 20 to 21 years. The theme of my story is bringing gift for sister. Rajiv lives in the city and works there as a lecturer. Thus, he decides to surprise his sister by getting her a gift. Thus, he goes to the market and decided to buy her a laptop since she was in her bachelor's and he dutifully checked the features of the laptop. For example, the RAM, the processing speed, display screen, and also checked the processing speed by using the laptop at home. He saw his sister waiting for at the door of his home and was very happy receiving the gift. Thank you.
So, Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture shown to us, I perceive two characters, one male and one female of age around 18-year-old in positive mood. Action of my story is improvement of house. Pankaj is 17-year-old boy. One day on the Sunday, had the house in a dustbin and put the soldable material outside the gate, and onward arrange all the clothes and books in the shelf, and rather than they use of tree and the flower vines on the rooftop, and after that they clean the clothes they had found, and on the afternoon session Pankaj made a dish for the family and put and complete the task. Thank you.
वैभव बोलेगा नहीं बोलेगा?
पिक्चर नहीं देखी है।
I haven't seen the picture, so you can go ahead.
So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I perceive two characters in the story, in which one is male and other is female, of age between 22 to 25, and both of them having the positive mood. The action of the parents. Ajay, a student, make a plan to celebrate his parents' 25th marriage anniversary. For that, he talked to his sister, and in which the list of the guests are prepared, the things which are required during the party, etc. All needs to be done. After that, he also make a contact to the tent, etc. In that way, they also make a plan to get the ribbon cutting ceremony of the of his parents, measurement of the room, and because of that, the ribbon accurate size of ribbon must be selected. After that, the day of anniversary arrives. They do everything. I did not make the story.
Gentlemen, as we can see, there are two characters, one male and one female.
Shall we start, GD?
Number of character, first there are two character, one lady and one man, and majority says made story around celebrating some kind of occasion, so we can move urgent office meeting as the lady was
Birthday made, and also as mentioned by Vatsaling.
For that, he makes a plan where his need to be
They're both mood with like a neutral mood, and we can get that like we go with the theme
as per celebrating marriage.
There should be a celebration in which the two characters, that is the male and female, are brother and sister, which are
okay, we go
They make a plan of the party.
so
Also make the list of the guests, send them the invitation through the mobile. They also arrange the tent, arrange the food. As in the wedding ceremony, we can also have a ribbon cutting ceremony as well. We should
store my points. And also we can prepare some home food like sweets and other sweets which can be distributed in the neighbors or the family.
That they gave food to the poor and help the
providing the good
by
food
getting
and
them
some
clothes and
food for the different guests. They will
So after all the planning, the next step is the day of arrival of anniversary. In that, all the things going as per the plan. The best party as planned.
Yes, in the party, after completing that, they make a small music type
And
scenario.
also give a speech to regarding their parents.
we can add one more thing. After completing the party, they take the leftover food and distribute among the poor, so that the food cannot be wasted.
food is left, then they will use it for like some poor people. They will distribute that food in some
Pictures of that memorable event and continue their memories.
As Varun mentioned, the memorable, they also click the photos. They also click the photos and make the play some games. They will also play some games to make it more memorable.
According to me, there can be a agenda there.
Gentlemen, I think we have arrived to the stage that
gentlemen, we always go with the theme of
As
the
adding
anniversary.
to all the
Getting
adding to all the miscellaneous points, as it's a parents' anniversary, as we have been celebrating, we will make
Gentlemen,
entire food. We will always
what is the
something around the
we have to add
I
action?
think that story gets concluded now. Nominate someone.
Birthday celebration.
Okay, after enjoy the cake part, basically.
wedding anniversary celebration. Aman, you have joined late.
वो तो है ना? How can be a wedding
All are
ceremony there?
celebrating an anniversary. So we all go with the actions added to anniversary. There will be an anniversary of. So
Nominate someone. Guys, nominate someone. I nominate Shivan. I nominate Shivan.
if you guys all are agree, then I can narrate the.
Vote Shravan.
Yes,
Okay. Thank
Thank you, gentlemen.
ladies and
yes, Shravan.
yeah, bro, Shivan, carry on, carry on.
Yes,
Don't give your chance to other.
gentlemen, the theme of our story is planning the anniversary of our parents of both approximately 20 to 22 years and of positive mood. They are brother and sister and they decide to plan the anniversary of a ribbon cutting ceremony and cake cutting. They also included party poppers and invited their relatives and friends also. They celebrated. After the party, the leftover food was distributed among the poor and they also distributed some blankets to the poor. Thus, they enjoyed it very much and finally rested the day. Thank you.
Summarize the story. So basically, we always go with there like there is a two characters. One is male and another is female. There is group between 28 to 30. We are talking about like a theme. So we all are agree with the theme of they celebrating an anniversary. So celebration. So like like he is for celebrating, so he making decorating that his house, arranging some gifts for guests, some music system also, so that they after dinner they will enjoy some uh, dance and making some songs, and they will be enjoying for mad memories. They also all the like if they are arranging some gifts, and after that if the food is left for, so they will distribute that food to the poor people. In this way
Thanks to all. भाई और भी करना है क्या किसी को कॉमन स्टोरी नरेट और किसने पिक्चर नहीं देखी थी भाई इस ग्रुप में मत डालना भूल गया था इधर एनीवन भाई तो कौन से ग्रुप में आया था
NGA CDS 12025.
ठीक है बूस्टर हर्ष अमन भाई मैं पिक्चर उसमें डाल दूंगा वो ना तो डाल देता यस
Sir, I'm able, sir. Raju, sir.
I'm good, sir.
Sir, how are you, sir? Thank you, sir. We can move on.
Yes.
I think,
Yes,
sir,
well,
we should conduct a GD also on recent issues.
Wait. Why at private sectors they also have reservation. If you guys agree to do discussion on that, so please let me know.
Yeah, कर सकते
क्या बोलते
हाँ
हो
कर
भाई?
सकते हैं.
ठीक है. Again, I'm repeating. Reservation in India is a boon or a bane. It's an open topic. You have your own lead. You can go anywhere. Start.
So, gentlemen, as we can see that the reservation is a good for
Gentlemen, as we can see, reservation is given for different purposes in both private and government sector. So it has both its good points and bad points in different scenarios. Like in private sector, beneficial for some individual, but in terminology of other aspect, as is lacking in some points, not as beneficial as other. So in the present time in government sector, we need some type
that
of
if we want to see anything in future, we have to look at the history. Gentlemen, we have seen, gentlemen, if that the reservation is very important for the castes which are not able to prosper much. In the constitution is
Friends,
also
first of
there
all, you
which
need to
has
understand
written document.
that when reservation was started, it was a boon for the nation that when BR Ambedkar has
As we
government,
as we have witnessed that the IIT is giving admission to the on the basis of reservation, which shows that the talent is on
still are
is that the financial issue and the status of their making the hindrance in the society to take place.
रिलेशन है और वो है लेकिन वहाँ पे रिजर्वेशन नहीं है और we see the development of
Gentlemen,
America.
as we
It
have
is
seen,
humongous.
gentlemen,
In
as
case
we
of
have
India,
seen,
casteism है लेकिन development
gentlemen,
उसका
as we have witnessed, there
we can see in our society there are different types of reservations, like reservation for women, reservation for handicaps, and different women reservation and other PW reservation. Then it is a very
the
good
basic
point.
point of
So
reservation is to
as
support,
government
but right now there are 75 years okay, after gentlemen, we have the declared constitution. the Still, result of
the
racism, the casteism, and the religious differences exist in India.
like recently announced the result of UPSC. So in the UPSC there will be a different kind of people. Like you take the example of one that general category students scoring 98 percentile not getting admission to the IIT, but the student who is scoring a 60% getting that admission. I think it is not the right thing
many
as per the
issues.
present
If
scenario.
we not get,
yes, we have
if
to our Supreme Court
we
maybe
don't give
highlight
them
that
the opportunity to be equal to us, how can we are getting the facilities, but they are the one who is lacking.
opportunities
का साथ सबका विकास it just only get possible by the reservation because due to reservation all the categories come together. So because of that the real spirit of सबका साथ
Gentlemen,
सबका विकास mentioned.
But the reservation would be helpful at the time of independence. But looking at the present scenario, people are using it in
Rajveer,
the wrong way. They have lots of
concentration to the East UP and Bihar. They are very poor and at the position of SC and ST is very poor. Government they want the support from the people. So I think reservation is good.
yes,
that's why we need area factor reservation, area-wise performance of different caste and individual, and after that apply to reservation. This will the beneficial. Imagine
treating offences can be very fatal. We have seen that the lower caste is not so prosperous and not able to compete with
Happens in
us.
India. You know, the great minds who are there, they don't stay in our country.
Gentlemen,
So
how
they
can
would
we
buy
relate
the
to reservation?
The line
It is,
between the great minds
how it
on
can
the
be
basis of
related
caste.
to the relation going to the other country.
Let me explain. Let me explain. If if in the countries like Russia and other countries there has been good opportunities they have, there has been lots of free education and scholarships are there. They used to go for studies there and
We
used to
all
work
know
there.
that the
These kind of people.
financial is the only reason to move to abroad. Reason that the person is moving to the abroad.
I
This is
believe
the
that
very logical. But if we talk about the equality, right to study, lower caste, how can be a very equality is there if no one getting the right to read? What kind of equality? That's why reservation was there. But in the current scenario, reservation
That is
is
the
to the
reason.
beneficial of the political
If
party.
it is happen, so BSP must be win in the UP, but it can't. If we talk because you
Yeah, I
because of
agree
the
with you because
reservation they will
political
have
party
they
use
will get the
reservation
scholarship for their
uh,
education,
for their
but they will
own
use they will making some fake documents like some of the people from also have made some fake documents.
yes.
So with the help of that fake document, they also get benefit of also. So in the Indian
The
government have
non-Western
some
state are
arrangements
physically
they
and
made in the
physically and financially depart
education.
from the
So
mainland of
these
India.
types of people
The
have
people of
that's
Northeast did not
that's why
get the
can be reduced
particular
by
chance.
the
Kashmir
amendment
is
only.
also included in that.
Reduce
So
the
supporting them
corruption
There
is
for
a
the
good
reservation
reservation, good
because
point
it
of
is a
reservation.
very sensitive case. I agree with Shravan because there must be check and balances be there in the documents because it is a very sensitive case
Prime Minister
and I
Narendra
also
Modi has
agree.
announced like for the
As we can
proper
see, the example
presidency
that
of
the
India,
youth today
there
who
will be
has been
only
preparing for the
caste
competitive exam has been more in a stress
Gentlemen,
and
we
kind of
have seen
situation will
in
be
the
there.
parliament
You know, a person
Nari
like India
Nari
has taken some
Sambodhan bill is
initiative on
also there
income
in which
certificate. Can we talk
33%
about the
is
income
free
certificates of Indian
represented at
government
the
have
national level.
also
This is a very good initiative by the
particular
government
have
by
The day one of
reservation.
a student of a general caste, they get a particular mindset regarding the study, regarding the resources. But considering the SC, ST, they go due to the lack of resources, the
Gentlemen, we
reservation
have
gives
seen
them
that the
resources, either it is
Supreme Court has
education, it
taken a
is
good
study,
decision
etc.
that
And because of that,
in
they
the
get
reservation
opportunity,
sector
but
they
they
are
try to
beneficial for
serve in
the
the
group.
general.
As we have seen, the creamy layer concept is also there in the
But
subcastes
I would
for
like to
the
mention that
betterment.
creamy layer concept is not into
like the
education.
Indian
And
government has
recently, Supreme Court had passed the verdict of creamy layer in the
Indian
SCST
government
also.
have made some amendment in the income certificate. Like people have
I have an example. I have an example. One of my friend. I have an example of one of my friend who has annual income
Gentlemen,
of 3
even in the
crores
general
and he has
income, I
taken the
agree with you,
reservation of
Rajiv.
EWS
Even
certificate. My
okay,
friend whose yearly income is 3 crore
And
and
friend,
taken the EWS
consider the
like
case of India. We see that
like
OBC in
Indian
OBC there are peasants like Jat peasant, Gujar
about
peasant. They have a lot of land.
like
They are
they want
very
to make
starvation of
they
the OBC.
really want to make a
And consider the Jain community. They get the reservation regarding the minority. Even they have a lot of money. So they are having the resources, but
they are still get the reservation. So I think
there is a
there
census that
must
is
be a
going to be
division.
conducted. So after the census, we have a clear data, and government will able to amend the reservation percentage in the different
At that
type of
moment, the reservation quota changes from 50 to 60.
from the
As people are talking about the reservation in private
I
sector, I think it
completely
will
agree
not
with
be
you,
the right
Rajveer.
thing.
Consider the case of USA. We saw that the USA has a private sector and also government sector. In that, reserve them, and because of that, India, America is there.
Yes, there are reservations on the basis of their as
on the basis of their
according to that, not the proper reservation.
Gentlemen, the youth of today would be tomorrow's leader, but the real talent wants that freedom, wants that opportunity, that reservation in private or government sector takes that opportunity. I feel that we have to push the real talent, the persons who have been scoring that much marks, we have the talent, we have to push that so that the nation's development
on the private sector they will on the basis of reservation the Indian government has the apply for the government jobs